Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about a process through which we can easily create a script file from scratch. In our last session, we discussed how to redirect the output of Qshell command into script file, right? Although there also we were creating the file, right? But in this session, we are going to see how to create the file in IFS, and we will do it from a scratch. Okay. Now, for those who don't know what is a script file, so you can assume like in order to do some set of operation, what we can do, we can store some of the commands or some of the scripts into one file, and then that file is known as script file. Clear? As we have program, similarly we have script file which contains some scripts, and on after running those set of script, it will execute some sort of programs, some set of operation. Clear? So let's start with the discussion like how to create this file. So first of all, we need to hit one command, work lnk. What work lnk will do, it will open this work with object link screen. Now on this work with object link screen, you can find out various files and directories. So we need at least one directory to perform or to create the file. So let me show you that directory which I'm going to use for this demo purpose. So the directory name is Sharmit. Here it is. So this is the directory which I'm going to use for my demo purpose. So I'm taking option 2 here. Now once you are in this screen, here you will find this option for creating the new file. Okay, so this field is mainly used to create the new file. So here what we can do, we can firstly write the name of the file. For example, if I want to create the file with the name test, after that we are going to create a shell script file. So just give an extension as .sh. After writing .sh, you can simply hit enter and it will open this blank file for you. Now in this blank file, you can store your scripts, your commands, or whatever you want to perform. You can accordingly write your script here. Okay, fine. Let me show you how to insert few more blank line, because let's say if you want to write some of the commands here, so you can simply use here I, then n could be anything like 10, 20, 50 as per your need. You can put the number. Let's say if I write I10, so it will include 10 blank line here. Now here I can simply put any of the script. For example, let's say I want to print some text, so I can write here echo, then inside a quote I can write the name, tag Sharmit. Okay, fine. Similarly, let's say if I want to print another thing here, so I can do one thing, echo double quotes, and inside that I can write shell script, shell scripting tutorial by Sharmit. Okay, so this is the text which I have saved here, and total two commands are there. Both are printing some text, but you can use any command, right? That's why we have covered all the required Qshell related command in previous sessions, right? So if you have not covered those sessions, I request you to go and check out those sessions first, and then you can see here we are using two commands, and then you can simply utilize the commands, okay, in the shell script. So once you are done with this editing, you can simply press F3 to save and exit. You can see here save and exit. So if I press F3, it will show me this message, files has changed, and again F3, it is removed. Removed means it just exit the program. Okay, fine. Now here if I do F5, you will see that file has been created. Okay, so this is the name of the file, owner, changed date, use date, CCS ID is also populated. Now suppose if you want to edit something here, so you can take option 2 and now you can edit here. Okay, but we are not going to edit anything. So but we have this option 2 for edit, 4 is for delete, 5 is for display. If you want to just see the display, you can take option 5, it will show you the program. Okay, then we have 6 for path size, and but this option is not valid for this. Okay, and then we have recursive delete. All right, so we have created the file, and I also tell you, I have also explained you like how to edit the file if you want to add few more modification here. Okay, so now what we will do, we will simply copy the path of this file and we'll try to run this through Qshell. So I'll simply copy the path. This is the path, browse. Now we will simply write here qsh. What qsh will do, it will open Qshell command entry screen. Now on this screen, if I try to run this command and press enter, it will give this message: error found running command, this permission denied. That means this file has not this file is not provided with the required permission to execute it. So that means we are supposed to provide permission for to make this file executable. Okay, so if those who have covered the previous session, they know that yes, there is one command chmod through which we can easily provide the executable permission to this file. So let's see how to do this. Simply write here chmod, then space, then plus and x. So what it means, we are changing the permission for this file and making it executable, plus x, and then the path of your file, which is /home sharmit test.sh, and then simply press enter. On pressing enter, it will not show any kind of error. Instead, it showed this dollar symbol. That means our command has been executed successfully. Fine. Now if again you try to hit the same command which we used, which is the path of our file /home sharmit test.sh, on pressing enter you will find yes, it has been executed successfully, and this time it is printing the required text, which is text Sharmit shell scripting tutorial by text Sharmit. Okay, so this is how we can create the shell script file, and after creating the shell script file, we are supposed to make it executable. Now it is not required that every time you need to use the chmod command for executing the file, because once you provided the required permission to this file, then you can simply run the command. Okay, now you can run, because now this file contains this executable permission, and this thing we have provided with the help of chmod command. Got it? Fine. So okay, one more question might be there, like will it be possible to run the same command without, let me show you what I'm saying. So here if I take option 2 and we'll try to add one more thing here, echo and updated. Okay, now F3 and we'll write qsh. Now we'll try to paste this and run again. So you can see this time there is no need to make it executable. Why? Because we have, once you have provided the required permission to this file, then you can reuse it multiple times. Okay, okay, fine. So yeah, I think these are the all steps that we are supposed to perform while executing the Qshell shell script with Qshell command. Now the main thing is how to run this with CL program, because there are various condition. If you talk about the ibmi thing, then yes, there are need where we are supposed to run the shell script using CL program. So I'll quickly tell you. I have already created one program, so we will just walk through it. So in this program, we are running a shell script using CL program. DCL for declaring the variable. Just take F4 here. Provide your variable name, type, storage, and length. Then we have chvar to provide the variable name, value. In value we can provide the path like /home sharmit test.sh. After that strqsh, take F4, provide your variable name here, and we are good with it. So now after compiling it, once you call this program, you will find that yes, it is printing the required output. That means CL program has successfully executed the shell script using strqsh command. Okay, so yeah, these are the all thing that I wanted to discuss with you in this session. Mainly we discuss how to create shell script file in IFS location. Then we discussed how to provide the executable permission to that file using chmod command, and then later we see how to run the shell script in order to perform that operation which we are supposed to perform with the commands or script that we have stored in a shell script. Okay, and at last we discuss how to run the same through CL program. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.